What's up? What's good? What's going on? Welcome back to the War Zone. I'm gonna talk a little bit about this Wilder vs. Fury trilogy match. So, I've been listening to discussions from a number of sources pertaining to this trilogy matchup between Deontay Wilder and Tyson Fury. Um, so, what I've noticed is that it's so easy to identify the dislike for someone regardless of the reasoning. Uh, People are so willing to push a narrative based on their own ideologies and quickly dismiss or even acknowledge any factual evidence, but would rather protect their own interests by constantly pushing their opinions as truth. The big deal is that, to me, Deontay Wilder is so bad for making excuses. Okay, he made excuses. He's so bad for firing Mark Breland and not talking to the press during this fight. Okay. Yet there's no big deal about Fury's past cocaine use, the bad gloves, and dishonoring his contract leading up to this trilogy. So I'm just looking for a medium here, man. By the way, all of those things mentioned about Tyson Fury are facts. They're facts. And on the other hand, the things that that Deontay Wilder is talking about are possibilities. So, we all got to look at the fact that this is nothing new in boxing, man. Cheating has always been a part of boxing. Um, the water incident, it's happened before. I'm not saying it's true now, but there is a possibility. I can see how people are quick to overlook facts and totally dismiss the possibilities by labeling them impossibilities. You know, um, how would you even know if you don't even acknowledge the facts? It's something, man. What one thing that I know to be true is that the facts will always be the outcome. Period. Period. Um, Let me be clear on something. As a boxing fan, I have absolutely no tolerance for cheating. Period. Um, Two individuals who are given the same time, training, and opportunity to get in the ring and risk their lives to reach a common goal. Then one of the fighters decides to cut corners by doing something uh, unnatural or illegal in order to gain some sort of advantage over the other individual. That's cheating. I'll never support it, and I'll always look down on it. You know, I don't care if my favorite fighter um, gets caught cheating. If he's my favorite fighter, I would look at him as a complete coward and a cheat, and I will never see you the same again. I'm speaking from a personal standpoint as a true boxing fan. I said that to say this. Obviously, we all know that bias, unfairness, and racism exists. That being said, if you're a true fan of any sport, you recognize greatness no matter what. Am I wrong for saying that Noya Inoue is no good because he's Japanese? Am I wrong for saying that Josh Taylor is a bum because he's Scottish? Knowing damn well that both of these fighters are pound for pound best in the world. I'd be totally wrong to say that. You know, just because they don't wear the same skin tone as me or they don't come from the same background as me doesn't give me the right to discredit what they've accomplished and vice versa. So, um, I just want to just emphasize the word facts. Facts don't lie, man. You know, whether you want to ignore them and continue to follow the consensus or the narrative of the people, I'm not concerned with that, man. I'm concerned with true boxing fans, man. And true boxing fans are gonna go by the facts, point blank. You know, it seemed like the world never wants to even the playing field. Um, and I'm a firm believer that things will continue as they're meant to be. If we don't like a fighter, even when we know he's great at what he does, call it what it really is, based on the facts. You know, oh, I don't like the way he looks. Oh, I don't like what he's wearing. Um, I don't like the way he talks, or was he what he does or what he doesn't do. Um, you just can't dismiss greatness based on an opinion, man. Um, so we have a trilogy match coming up, man. We've got two great fighters going into their third match. We already know what happened in the first two matches. However, there are no more excuses. Hopefully, it's a even playing field for both fighters, and we'll see who the better fighter is on this date. Um, the date is set, and no one's hate will decide the outcome, and never has. The best man on that day will be victorious. Most of us will accept it. Others will go on hating regardless of the outcome. But no matter what, the bottom line is history will be made no matter what. You know, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Um, somebody's going home a loser, somebody's going home a champion. And I think it's time, man. And like I said, uh, a lot of questions are going to be answered. Um, there's going to be, like I said, haters are going to continue to hate. But the bottom line is, the fact is that the better man is going to win this fight. And once again, I'm excited. I can't wait. Uh, I just wish that people would be just be fair, man. You know, both of these fighters have the ability to win. You understand what I'm saying? So uh, stay tuned, man. And that's all I got for you. Peace.